I notice about how my blood glucose patterns change as I age? Well, I have to say, I haven't been periodically monitoring my blood sugar for long enough yet to notice any age related changes in myself. But there are some studies in the literature indicating that glucose tolerance tends to get worse with age. What seems to happen is that as you age, the hormone insulin becomes less effective at stimulating your cells to take in glucose from the blood, meaning that blood glucose levels stay higher for longer after a meal. Some potential reasons for this include increases in belly fat, less physical activity, age related loss of muscle mass, hormone changes, and more oxidative stress and inflammation with aging. However, this doesn't have to be your destiny as you age, because many of these factors can be slowed or even prevented with healthy lifestyle habits, especially related to physical activity that prioritizes strength training. Something that I aim to do in my life, and encourage my parents and grandparents to do too, is to find forms of physical activity that are really fun to do and do them with friends to add in extra accountability and motivation to maintain the habit.